Today we're making our 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies from our Dining on a Dime cookbook volume 2 on page 284. We are going to start by setting our oven to 350 degrees. I've already been baking today, getting videos ahead, so it's already pre-warmed. Okay, we're going to take our egg, put it in, then our 1 cup of sugar. This is a 1/4 cup scoop. I just keep it in my sugar. It's just one of everything. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 1 egg. This is 18 ounces, so I'm not going to even measure. 8 ounces is 1 cup, so I'm just going to do slightly less than half. I know, that's just living on the edge. You know me, dear, I like to live on the edge, right?
Yep. So it won't hurt the peanut butter cookies if there's a little more peanut butter, a little less?
Well, we'll see, won't we? Okay, get it all mixed up. Just like so. Now we're going to get our baking sheet. Now, I like to use the reusable Silpat mats, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You could use parchment paper or just grease your pan if you want. And then, oh, whoops, let me get some of this peanut butter all the way mixed in. Just a second. There's a little left. Okay, now and just put them on each dot, and then you will have perfectly rounded and spaced cookies. And look at that, guys. I mean, we're talking, what, 5 minutes? Barely. Okay. Then we're going to put this in the oven. Now, if you want to make these chocolate peanut butter cookies, all right, who's been digging into chocolate chips again?
I haven't.
I think somebody has. Then these are mini chocolate chips. Just put them in the center like that, or mix it in with the peanut butter cookies if you want, and then you have chocolate peanut butter. Now we're going to put them in the oven. This recipe is in the description below, and our Dining on a Dime cookbooks are 25% off right now. Yum. Okay, you want them so they are slightly underdone on the cookie sheet because they will finish cooking on the cookie sheet. But I forgot to do the traditional crisscross with the fork on the tops. You think they'll turn out anyway?
I think they will. How do you do that?
Well, I'm gonna mess up my baked cookies, but you go and then it makes the crisscross like in the picture there.
Oh, nice.
So we will let these cool, and then we will do a taste test.
One of these things are not like the others.
Okay. You want it, oh, oops. You want it lightly browned on the bottom. Okay, I can taste test this one because they're gluten-free and dairy-free. Oh my goodness. They're real hot. I feel really hot. Oh. Okay, these are really good. Go watch this video next, guys. Delicious.